Let English enter your emotions. Don't keep English stuck in your study zone. Use it to express how you feel. Write journal entries when you're sad. Send thank you messages when you're grateful. Language tied to emotion gets remembered. It's no longer just vocabulary. It becomes you. Speak even when you're alone. You don't need a partner to practice. Talk to yourself. Narrate your day, explain your thoughts, describe what you're doing. It's not weird, it's training. The more your brain hears your voice in English, the more fluent it becomes. Alone time equals prime time. Build a no-excuse routine. Busy? Tired? Don't feel like it? Still do 2 minutes. Listen to one short video. Speak one sentence. Read one tweet. Momentum, motivation. Make it impossible to skip, even on your worst days. That's how fluency becomes unstoppable.